Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve 851 divided by 63,885. Now let's take this dividend part on the tool. So I'm going to consider this to be the ones rod and I'm going to place my numbers from here 8, 5, 1. Now this is my divisor, which is 63,885, which is much larger than 851. If I consider 4 rods also, it's not going to work. So I'm going to consider 5 rods. So now I can put the number. So here, this is the last rod I'm going to consider. So on the answer part also, if I consider this as the ones rod, this will be my answer part. This will be my where I'm going to place the number. So if I place 63,885 ones are, then I'm going to minus 6, 3, 8, again 8, then minus 5, minus 10 plus 5. Now I have 21,215, which is again smaller than 63,885. So I'm going to put another 0 and I'm going to consider this rod. So my answer will be here now. Again, I'm going to place 63,885 ones are. Then I'm going to minus. I have to leave one rod because this is in the lakhs place. I've considered this rod also. Now minus 6 to be done here. Minus 10 plus 5 minus 1. Minus 3 here. Minus 10 plus 7. Minus 8 here. Minus 10 plus 2. Minus 8 here. Minus 10 plus 2. Minus 5 here. Minus 10 plus 5. Now I have 1,48,261. Again, I can go with 63,885 ones are. Again, I'm going to minus. Minus 10 plus 4 minus 3 minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2 minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2 minus 5 is direct. Now, if I see this, I have 84,380. So again I can go with 63,885 ones are. So I'll go with ones are. Again 63,008 minus 10 plus 2 again minus 8 minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. Now I have 20,495, which is smaller than this number. So again I can consider this rod to be 0 and then I can continue. So here I'll just stop till here. So my final answer will be 0.013. I'll just stop till here. I hope this video helps. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Thank you.